Mustang coupe. He's setting it up now. He's gonna pick a Mustang for us. I don't know. What do you normally drive?
Porsche.
What was that?
Porsche.
Don't hold it against me. At least he's honest. All right, so there's the controls. This is really cool. And look at there. I'll just put the screen on. Oh, this is actually pretty cool to shoot the screen. Always doing a burnout. Oh, it's pulling to the right. No, it's straight. He's in second gear. This is really cool. Dude, you gotta let me play this game now. I want to play it now. Look, he just turned his head to the right. Look, he's looking to the right. Isn't that amazing? He's literally looking into a VR experience. Oh no, he's almost going off the track. Goes out of control. A little oversteering there, Junior. Look at that. That is so cool.
And you can look into the gauges.
You look at the gauges. Look right and left. Show him. Yeah. Oh man, you look behind you. That is wild. You gotta have a good neck for that. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna make Junior let me drive it. All right, Junior's already starting to get people lining up for this thing, so maybe I won't drive it now, but I'll drive it later. Pretty cool. I recommend it. Seriously, this is really cool. Oh!
Awesome, wasn't it?
I was like thinking, Junior, man, he's got some money into this. I'm thinking, is this a good investment? I just drove it. Oh my gosh. I relived Chuckwalla Valley Raceway. If you haven't seen my Chuckwalla Valley Raceway videos, Chuckwalla Bob, MustangMedic, you'll see me on the track driving a real car. Well, guess what?
You drove.
I drove a real car inside this place. These things are absolutely incredible. Now, you probably think I'm an old timer. Oh, he's never done VR, but wow, the seat shifting. You can feel your tail end going back and forth. You're trying like heck to hold on. Now, I admit it, I didn't drive a Mustang. What did I drive?
You drove a Formula X F1 car. Awesome.
Awesome. I don't know how to portray it in video, except for the videos I showed you.
Yeah.
But the experience of shooting on video and then putting these goggles on, and the wind, he added wind to blow in your hair, right? He's got 2 wind tunnels. I showed you that. That you're getting the air, you're racing around, you're desperately trying to hold on to the track. You feel the shifting like this. You hit the brakes, you're going forward. You're going into a turn and you're gassing it a little too hard. You feel your tail end start to come out on you, back and forth, and going like this. I mean, I'm all over the place because that's what it was like. Visit Junior, call up his business. Sorry, I'm shaking.
VRmotorsportz.com. Please visit the website and give us a shout out, please.
Boom!
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. We can do this all day. Thank you.
It was awesome.
It was awesome.
I'm speechless.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, man. I really did.
I'm speechless. Awkward moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow! I just relived Chuckwalla Valley Raceway inside a building. The experience is so close to reality, other than it being like a digital screen that you're seeing. It is truly the 3-dimensional experience of things going past you. You're braking. It handles like a real car. It doesn't do everything in your experience. Feeling the tail end cutting out on me when I was overgassing it, hitting the brakes, and then pulling into the turn. All the stuff I learned by Chuckwalla Bob over in Chuckwalla Valley Raceway. I got a certificate for aggressive driving. It's like that. If you guys want a cool experience, it's worth it. There. It might be the most excited I get today, but it was a good excitement.
Restoration.